Please, Lord. Lordship may kindly have the 7th April order where RCI was categorically directed to file an affidavit specifying whether class 1 to 8 for special educators TET is required or not. But this happens every time RCI doesn't file any affidavit except for taking time. So I request the secretary concerned should be summoned because RCI is the note authority.
My lords,
Always this is a problem.
I'm just seeking 1 week's time, my lords.
But always RCI takes time.
My lords, we are in the final stages of finalizing it, my lords. I'm just seeking 1 week's time, my lords.
That's the fundamental issue in that matter. Whether TET is involved for class 1 to 8.
For that my affidavit is not ready, we wouldn't have put it today.
My lords, I was given the indication I would be getting it yesterday, but
Even in the morning, you could have said so, that my affidavit is not ready. See, all counsel are here to argue the matter.
Even we requested Attorney General that we are having a matter.
Lordship, Bihar
Yeah.
affidavit is 20th April. 20th April 2026 is the last affidavit.
Your Lordship, that might not be on record. I'm carrying some extra copies.
So they have received that.
Purana hai bahut.
13.
Bihar is only just 3 figures, nothing big on
Your
affidavit.
Lordship, this is in addition to the previous affidavits we have filed. This is just the
The same thing. Lordship, may just note the 3 figures in Bihar affidavit, my lords. Sanction post, what they say is 7279 for special teachers.
7279.
Contractual, they say is 816, 816.
Post or they are in position.
No, they have kept post for special teachers after
819 for contract.
816.
816 for contractual teachers.
Yes. And what they say is after screening committee being conducted, only 125 were found to be TET qualified.
139. Your Lordship.
But the affidavit says 125.
Lord, the affidavit says 125 TET qualified. They say other 788 RCI, those things are qualified.
So as of date, there are 139.
Okay, let's go
That's
one.
stated in the affidavit.
Qualified is 139.
Out of the contractual employees, 139 are there. It's mentioned in para 11 of the contract.
Now, do they have RCI?
Yes, Your Lordship.
All of them.
139 which have been verified, they have the RCI.
So therefore, my lord, my immediate suggestion to your lordship is that those at least 139 who have been screened, they should be appointed immediately as per 7th March 2025 order.
Your Lordship, they have
That
been-
has to be complied.
They have been recommended for absorption.
So there is no timelines given by them. Recommendation will
Rest
linger
of
on.
the contractual teachers.
Yes.
Just wait and find out whether RCI says that RCI qualification is enough or not. Then in
Lord,
that case, the others who don't have TET, they can also be.
Lord, may I make this suggestion? Their affidavit, compliance affidavit says 788 of the 816 barring they have been verified and the documents found in order. This is in the affidavit of 11th February 2026, pages 3 and
These are on 20th April 26.
Yes, my lord. Even the earlier affidavit, I have the earlier one, 11th, but it says 788 documents verified found in order. May I suggest these could be appointed to subject to that order?
139, they have found
139, both RCI and TET. The 788 RCI verified,
That-
but not TET,
139.
including that 139.
What they say is 139 is TET qualified also.
Therefore, 788 minus 139.
That's right, my lord.
So that would be the figure
With the
for
RCI,
RCI, but not TET.
yes.
And then subject
Yes.
to RCI's affidavit, what
May I request they could be appointed subject to further orders?
Your Lordship may kindly have page number 4. It gives the breakdown of 816 contractual teachers. Out of that, 805.
649 are only RCI, 139 are TET plus RCI.
Yes, my lord, but my learned friend
So
says the
verification of
figures
the
are,
documents happened for 788
yes,
persons.
no,
After that, out of which it was identified how many people have the TET certification.
yes, that
For
is what
those
the
people,
court
they were
says.
sent for CRR verification with whether their RCI is validated or not. Once their CRR verification as well as their TET
What
verification.
is CRR?
Your Lordship, it's the number they are given after the.
By the
No,
RCI.
Lord, RCI, central registration, that number.
RCI provides a number. my lord.
Verification with regards
each
to
qualification-
certification and RC certification is only with regards to 139. And we have recommended there's no absorption.
Lord, there is a RCI certificate, and the persons whose names are found in the certificate are found in the central register, which has the CRR number. They are doing a double checking of that. But 788, we are working, my lord, and they are actually with the certificates.
As per your rules, are these teachers required to have TET?
Yes, Your Lordship. As per our rules, it is required. We have a special TET examination called Bihar Special Teachers TET examination.
No such exams. I'm
Your
sorry.
Lordship, it is on record. The advertisement as well as the rules are on record.
No RCI syllabus, no such exam.
You filed an affidavit shows
Your-
that your rules require TET.
It is on affidavit, Your Lordship. In the last affidavit I filed itself,
What
it
is
is,
the date?
Your Lordship, the 20th April.
20th April,
Yes,
yes?
Your Lordship.
Where have you said
Just a minute.
TET is required?
R2. They have that Bihar special school teacher.
Your Lordship, may kindly have
2020,
page 14, para 15.
14.
Page 40,
Page 14 of the affidavit.
14.
Yes, Your Lordship. Essential qualifications for appointment to school teachers. So these are the general rules which also provide for the special teachers itself.
No, this is only school teacher.
Your Lordship, the rules, the 2023 rules are general rules which also provide for the special teachers which say that.
Show us the rule
Yes, Your Lordship.
that it includes special teachers.
Very well, Your Lordship.
नहीं ये ऊपर में देखिए ना full teacher only.
This one.
For special teachers, this is the rule that is applicable.
Your Lordship, in page 14 itself, the eligibility criteria, it says qualification for special school teachers shall be applicable as per RCI. So it also provides for the RCI teachers as well as them. And then the second qualification requires TET examination. And Your Lordship, my
No,
it is-
therefore, it can be read in this manner that for ordinary school teachers, TET is the qualification. For special school teachers, RCI is the qualification.
Obliged.
Your
Can
Lord-
be read in this way.
Your Lordship, even in my advertisement, it has been, we have conducted a specific, Your Lordship, may kindly have.
Let us see the entire rule.
Yes, Your Lordship.
What is the extent of coverage of the rule?
Your Lordship, the entire rules have been annexed from
This is
page.
the entire rule.
Yes, Your Lordship.
Where is clause 1?
It starts from page number 7.
We are state school teacher appointment transfer. So shall come. Let us see who is a teacher.
That would be page
Yeah,
9
teacher.
towards the end.
Definition of teacher. School teacher means.
Yeah, see.
Huh?
Which is one under the rules for public schools.
Also, Your Lordship, my rules are
This is-
subject to RCI guidelines also. We have a.
Please come to page 14.
Yes, Your Lordship.
5, 2, last two lines.
Yes, Your Lordship.
Qualification for special school teacher shall be applicable as for RCI.
Certainly, Your Lordship.
They have RCI.
Even in our
There is
advert,
a distinction. Come to 9.
Sir.
Page 9, Roman 17, school teacher means.
and.
Come to 10, special school teacher means.
Yes, Your Lordship.
So that qualification is for special school teacher, RCI.
Your Lordship,
How
that,
are you demanding TET for?
Your Lordship, even in the advertisement that we issued pursuant to the rules, it has been expressly stated that if the Rehabilitation Council guidelines are contrary to my particular advertisement or the rules, the Rehabilitation Council of India's guidelines will prevail. So that
You
has
have
been.
not said in your rule that in addition to above, special school teacher shall be required to have the RCI qualification.
Lordship,
That is not the language of the rule.
In fact,
The language clearly says, heading, it says school teacher shall be as follows, so and so from time to time. Qualification for special school teacher shall be applicable as per RCI. Now, if the RCI comes and says that TET is not required, only RCI is sufficient.
Your Lordship, that will work because in the rule, in the advertisement that we issued itself.
Lordship, may see the next clause also.
prevail.
If you throw some light, sub clause 3. Wherever they want to use special school teacher, they use the word. Now see sub clause 3. Second para. However, qualifying teachers, that means not special teachers, qualifying teachers eligibility test shall not be mandatory for teachers appointed. So it's not talking about special teachers appointed. So perhaps it means TET is meant for a general teacher, not for special school teacher, which is
For the present, let us direct 139 to be appointed.
at least that with some time bound direction.
Lord, and the balance 600 odd who are actually working would,
600, we are keeping it pending. Is that term coming to an end?
Yeah. That I
No.
can verify.
Lord, I have to verify if the term is coming to it.
Just as in the last matter,
Yes.
we have extended. If you don't have information, how can we?
It will end in the, my lords, till in the last April, I think, or May. Because the 11 months contract is there, 11 months.
Make any off-the-cuff response.
Lord,
Within 1 minute.
within 5 minutes, we'll,
Plus one document,
no, we just
the
get
contract
instruct.
that it ends in April.
Good.
Just-
Order पढ़ना है, para 15.
For children with special needs is 7279,
Yes, well, they-
which 816 posts are earmarked for
Bihar हो गया.
contractual teachers.
Shakun बचा. You can sanction those.
It is also revealed that
Balance
the selection committee duly
weighted home by
constituted in terms of the order dated 7th March
How many मतलब?
has verified the credentials of
नहीं, ये है, 1.36.
139 special teachers who have been found
Kau.
to have qualified the teacher's eligibility test as well as possess RCI qualification. In such way, the matter, we direct the state to take immediate steps for regularization of the service of such 139 teachers, special teachers, special educators,
नहीं, इन्होंने 211 को
Uniform.
screen हो चुका है.
within a month from
Yeah.
date.
Huh?
The process with regard to verification of the balance 649 candidates shall be carried on. However,
211 जो है, ये
final decision, if any taken, may not be given effect
advertise है.
without obtaining the leave of the court.
Lord,
We are to be relisted 3 weeks since.
Lord, may I request, your lordship had directed notice to the state on pay parity, and they have filed an affidavit on pay parity saying we will pay them on parity only after appointment in the services of
Let
the
them be
state.
appointed, sir. Let them be
Lord,
appointed.
my submission is as per the orders of this court, pay parity is independent of even contractual workers who are actually working today need to be.
Even the contractual teachers who are ultimately appointed in terms of this order are not paid at par with the regular teachers in terms of the order dated 7th March 2025. We grant liberty to bring such omission to our.
Look, my submission was different, Lord. Your lordship had directed contractual teachers who are not appointed, even as on date, they have to be paid in par.
So let them get the appointment.
As your lordship.
139, let them be appointed.
No, I was talking about the remaining 600, my lord. They
Remaining
should be.
600, we have said that final decision may be taken, but no effect to be given because we are waiting for the
That is-
affidavit of RCI.
My lord, that is
So if they say that you don't have TET, so you are out, we'll have to come to a conclusion whether TET is required or not.
yes, my lord.
We have
Independent.
kept it. We are
Ah.
keeping it after 3 weeks.
As your lordship.
Please wait.
Your lordship, just a clarification, it will be 1 month and 3 weeks thereafter.
Huh?
It will be 1 month and 3 weeks.
No, no, 1 month for the purpose of regularization. For the other purpose, it is coming up 3 weeks.
Your lordship, with regards to the other purposes, the examination, recruitment examination for the 7,000 post, something post, we have already conducted it, and BPSC is already in the process of preparing the result.
Go ahead with your selection process.
Your
Say
lordship,
that don't give effect to the final select list because we are bringing it back on 3 weeks.